How much does air conditioning installation cost in the UK? Hello, I'm Reese Powell, Director of Operations at Warmzilla, and I wanted to talk to you today about how much it costs to install air conditioning, despite it not being very common in the UK. As temperatures continue to rise in the UK, air conditioning is becoming less of a luxury and more of a necessity. Whether you're looking to cool your home during the summer or maintain a comfortable temperature year-round, understanding the costs involved in air conditioning installation is key. This guide breaks down everything you need to know, from the types of systems available to the average installation costs, running expenses, and the benefits of each option. Average air conditioning installation costs in the UK. Air conditioning installation costs in the UK can vary depending on the type of system, the size of your property, and the complexity of the installation. Here's a breakdown of what you can expect. Split air conditioning systems typically cost between £1,000 and £2,500 for installation, depending on the number of indoor units required. Ducted air conditioning systems, more extensive and generally cost between £2,500 and £5,000. Window air conditioning units, a cheaper option with costs ranging from £500 to £1,000. Portable air conditioning units, the most affordable, costing around £200 to £600. Each system has its own pros and cons, which we'll explore in detail below. Understanding the differences can help you choose the best option for your home. Popular air conditioning options explained. When choosing an air conditioning system, it's important to understand the types available. 1. Split air conditioner. Split air conditioning systems are the most common choice for UK homes. They consist of an indoor unit that distributes cool air and an outdoor unit that expels the heat. Pros of split aircon systems: efficient and quiet operation, easy to control individual room temperatures, can both heat and cool. Cons of split aircon systems: more expensive than portable options, requires professional installation. How much does split air conditioner installation cost? Installation typically ranges from £1,000 to £2,500. 2. Ducted air conditioning. Ducted systems are designed for whole home climate control and are often concealed within walls or ceilings for a seamless look. Pros of ducted aircon systems: provides even cooling across multiple rooms, discreet with minimal visible components. Cons of ducted aircon systems: higher upfront cost, more invasive installation process. Installation usually costs between £2,500 and £5,000. 3. Window air conditioning unit. Window units are compact and relatively easy to install, making them a popular choice for single rooms. Pros of window aircon units: affordable initial cost, easy to install. Cons of window aircon units: noisy operation, less energy efficient. A window AC unit costs typically between £500 and £1,000. 4. Portable air conditioning units. If you're looking for something cheap and flexible, portable units are your best bet. Pros of portable aircon units: no installation required, can be moved between rooms. Cons of portable aircon units: less efficient than fixed systems, takes up floor space. Costs range from £200 to £600.
If you're considering air conditioning but worried about the upfront cost, Warmzilla makes it easy with flexible financing options. Spread the cost of your air conditioning installation and keep your home cool without the big hit to your wallet. Click the link in the description to explore your options and get a quick, no-obligation quote. And if you're finding this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. We're always happy to help.
Factors affecting air conditioning costs. Several factors can influence the cost of your air conditioning installation. Property size: larger spaces require more powerful units. Type of system: ducted systems are more expensive than split or portable options. Installation complexity: multi-unit installations or tricky layouts can increase costs. Energy efficiency: more efficient models may cost more upfront but save on running costs. Labor costs: Rates can vary depending on your location in the UK. Understanding these factors can help you budget more accurately and choose a system that suits your needs. Cost-saving tips for air conditioning installation. While air conditioning can be a big investment, there are ways to save. Shop around, get multiple quotes from certified installers. Consider energy efficiency. Spend a little more upfront for a more efficient system and lower energy bills. Regular maintenance. Keep your system running smoothly to avoid costly repairs. Government grants. Occasionally, there are government incentives for energy-efficient installations. Maintenance and running costs. Installing an air conditioning system is just the beginning. There are ongoing costs to consider. Running costs. Split systems. Around 20 pence, 40 pence per hour depending on usage. Ducted systems. Around 50 pence, 70 pence per hour. Window and portable units tend to be cheaper but less efficient. Maintenance costs. Regular servicing is recommended annually, costing around £60, £100. Air conditioning is more affordable than you might think, and with Warmzilla's brand new installation service, you can enjoy cool comfort all summer long. If you're ready to take the next step, click the link below to find the perfect air conditioner for your home. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, or leave a comment if you have any questions. We're always happy to help.